Uh-oh, dropped your iPhone? That sickening crack means a broken screen. But when it comes to replacing it, things get confusing fast. Original, third-party, diagnostic. Don't worry. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know to make the best choice for your budget and needs. First, the big picture. You essentially have two main paths. Original Apple screens, typically only available through official channels, are top tier in quality, but they come with a premium price tag. Then, there's the third-party market, which is significantly more affordable. If budget is a major concern, third-party is definitely your go-to. Now, let's dive into third-party screens. From a user experience perspective, these are mainly split into normal screens and diagnostic screens. The key difference lies in what your iPhone's settings app will tell you. Normal screens are standard third-party replacements. They haven't gone through Apple's diagnostic pairing process. After installation, your iPhone will show a persistent red dot notification next to unknown part in your settings. It's a visual reminder that a non-original component has been installed. On the other hand, diagnostic screens have undergone a technical process to simulate the original screen's data. Once installed, your iPhone settings will display used part, but without the annoying red dot notification. It's a much cleaner look, making your phone feel closer to its original state, even though it's still a third-party component. If you pick a third-party screen that isn't from Apple, your phone will almost always eventually show some kind of unknown part message in settings. How do you deal with this, especially with a normal screen? The solution is quite clever, but it requires a skilled technician. You can purchase a normal third-party screen and have a repair shop carefully transplant the display chip from your original broken screen onto the new replacement screen's flex cable. This essentially remarries the original chip with the phone, making it think the display is original again, thus achieving a like-new display experience without the alerts. But what if you want a premium user experience without the high labor costs of chip transplantation, and you still want to avoid those non-genuine part warnings? This is where the diagnostic screen truly shines. You can directly purchase a diagnostic screen. You then have two main options. Either attempt a DIY installation yourself, or take it to a repair shop and have their technicians install it for you. This significantly reduces your overall cost, because you're only paying for the screen itself and minimal labor, rather than the complex chip transplant service. You get a clean display without alerts and a much lower bill. So there you have it. Whether you prioritize official quality, budget, or a clean software experience, there's a screen replacement option for you. Understand your choices, know your budget, and give your iPhone the new screen it deserves. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which screen option you choose.